Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this brand new stuff here. This is the Cearvol Wave in Midnight. Wow, this is a NeuroFlow AI algorithm 2.0 device which brings us smarter noise control and personalized sound. Enhanced 40 decibel gain. It's designed for a mild to moderate severe hearing loss and a smart touchscreen case. This is a phone-free companion to the Cearvol App. Because you can use both or 3 ways of using that device. We have a smart touchscreen case and an integrated remote microphone, crystal clear speech for meeting and social noise, and a dual streaming Bluetooth high fidelity audio for music, movies, and calls. All this possible with these new here future natural sound device. We take it really cool. It is on the market in Starlight and Midnight available. And we have an AI redefined hearing. Because this device powered by the NeuroFlow AI 2.0 with the advanced deep neural engine network processing, it analyzes our surrounding environments, enhances the voice, suppresses noise, and optimizes the every tone to deliver a clearer, more natural hearing. We have the no less balanced amateur speaker to deliver a clear hearing experience. And we have a noise reduction. Continuously analytics the full noise spectrum in real time and automatically adjust the noise reduction up to 20 decibel for a clearer conversation. And we have a good feedback control with the Cearvol App 2.0 algorithm that dynamically evaluates the feedback path, adapting to the complex hearing conditions. This keeps our hearing whistle-free. And it makes a nice OVR, clear speech, enhance this. We enhance the voice against the background noise for natural, easy listening. Delivers up to 24% higher semantic understanding than the NeuroFlow 1.0. The conversation feels more effortless. So we can hear every detail precision with that. Wave applies the world recognize the NAL-NA2 fitting formula to balance the sound across the frequencies, preventing the unnecessary loudness while delivering up to 40 decibel. With Bluetooth 5.3, we have here a 2-in-1 solution. Hearing aids, and Bluetooth streaming. Whether we are enjoying the favorite music or taking calls on the go, the Wave keeps us connected for us with all. We enjoy private audio with the AUX-IN, featuring the AUX-IN port, whether we are watching television at home, working out at the gym, or traveling on a plane or high-speed train, so we can indulge in exclusive audio streams. This is all in one box control. The AI-powered touchscreen for effortless control. We can have a volume adjustment, a mode switch, a noise reduction, a voice enhancement, a call handling, and alarm settings. And we have remote MIC captures every moment. We turn our charging case into a remote microphone, just set it close to the speaker or stage, and the voice comes up to 10 meters or delivered straight to the hearing aids, thus making meetings, lectures, and performance effortless to follow. And we can personalize the app, tailored for us. In-app hearing tests, preset modes, custom tuning, OTA updates, and more. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and give me a positive feedback. I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.